guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY, and everything that I bought from the dollar store. So the items that I bought were 2 floating candles, 2 white floating candles, 2 candle holders, 2 small vases. I bought white sand and I bought black sand. Then you will need some glue sticks and a glue gun. I'm trying to think of what else. I also purchased some seashells. I might put them in the sand. So this is going to be a candle holder. I'm gonna put things together from the dollar store and we will see how they come out. If somebody lets me do the video. Do you want to say hello? This little boy is not letting me do my video. No, he's not. Papa's. Say don't forget to go like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget my mommy's YouTube channel. Love you guys. Love you guys. And I will be leaving everything that I got in the description below. So if you guys want to do the same craft, you guys are more than welcome. So I will leave everything that I purchased at the dollar store. Okay, so I purchased the vases and the candle holder separate, but I did glue them together. So I got 2 of them, glued them together, hot glue gunned them together. So that's the first step. So after you glued them together, you are going to add the shells around the cup. So we are going to do that. Take the little ones because you can put a bunch around. So you're going to do that to the whole thing. Okay, so after you're done attaching the shells on the base, you're going to add your sand. Okay. Just want to make sure these 2 have the same amount. Okay. So there's that. And then you're going to add your floating candle. See? And there's that. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. So cute, something so simple for the restroom. And it's candles, sand, and shells, all from the Dollar Tree. So go check out the Dollar Tree. I'll leave everything in the description so you guys can go and grab this stuff. Or maybe you'll come up with another idea. If you do these, send me a picture. I want to see how cute. You guys could do black sand and you guys could do different color candles, different shells. I just decided to do with what I have. So if you guys like them. For my second DIY, it's going to be a small candle holder with a little plant, artificial plant with rocks. So stay tuned for that. So all I'm going to do is fill this candle holder with the stones, not rocks. Okay, just continue to add rocks until you cover the small plastic base, or what is it called? Plant holder? Thingamajiggy? Whatever is holding this plant. You want to cover it up with the rocks. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is the finished product. You can, what I did was I glued rocks to here. And then I started filling the base with rocks, and then I started hot gluing them on top. I'm just gonna glue some more here. But yeah, I put a little bit of black sand on the bottom and there it is. I hope you guys like it. All of this is from the Dollar Tree. The stones, the sand, the vase, or the candle holder, and then the artificial plant is from my local Dollar Tree. So if you guys want to recreate this, I will leave everything in the description below, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to reach to 100 subscribers so we can do the James Charles palette giveaway. I know that we can reach to the 100 subscribers. Just keep sharing and tell everybody to subscribe. Tell their grandma, tell their mama, tell their uncles, tell everybody to subscribe. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers, so without you guys I cannot do it. But thanks again guys for watching, and I will do the detox waters next. Stay tuned.